Uh, Hello, I think that we are live. I'm not 100% sure, but I think we are. um, yeah. I don't know. Are we live? Looks like we're live. I think we're live. I hope we're live. Don't see why we wouldn't be. Change you. Well, hello, chat. So this is going to be a lot more of a chill stream. Yeah, okay, I think we're live. I'll double check this though, because I don't want to think I'm live and then just not be. Laugh about it, cover it all up with lies. My Discord is not working. There we go. Boys don't cry. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum-bum. Cry. Yeah, okay. It's working. Cool. So yeah. Very different stream to usual. There we go. But yeah, so we are, as the title says, remaking Twitter. And we're going to be doing this with Python, the coding language, not the snake. I'm going to be honest, this will be very boring compared to my normal streams, unless you're interested in this type of thing. But I learnt this over the weekend. It's called Django, the thing I'm going to be using. Yeah, I learnt it over the weekend, and I thought, you know what? Why not stream me making Twitter? Because I need some more practice with it. I've only really made one site with it, and I thought this would be quite an easy, well, not easy, but it would be easy for me to wrap my head around it, I guess. So that's why we're doing this. But yeah. I'm going to set up a Q&A. I've never done these before on YouTube. I forgot they were a thing, to be honest. But yeah, I'll look at the Q&A every once in a while. But yeah, I should probably tell people I'm live. There we go. Cool. If you're not in my Discord, you should be. You do that by put that little command in chat, and in theory, there we go. Stream Elements comes in and is like, join the Discord server. Yeah. What is stream delay like? Because it seems quite bad to me. Hold on. Sorry, there's the beginning of this stream is very boring. We will get into the programming in a minute. I was checking what the Sorry, there's the beginning of this stream is very boring. We will get into the programming in a minute. It's not too bad then. Alright. Well, yeah. Hello, SB1753. So I am going to be referencing a little tutorial type thing, but I am going to try to do as much of this myself. I'm also going to put my mic away to the side. Let me know if the audio's really bad, but I want to do that just so I have more space for my keyboard. Because my microwave, not my microwave, my microphone is one of those ones that go on your desk. Oh, you're the crime raccoon. I don't know what happened to my accent there, but hello. So I installed Django already. That's what this is. I don't know how well you can see this. If I try zooming in a bit more, is that better? That's probably better, isn't it? Just for stream, I think that'll look better. Because then you can, if you're on a phone or something, you can read it better. So yeah, we are going to start the project. So if we do Django-admin start project, what are we gonna call it? Or to be fair, if we we'll do that for now. So that will start a project called social. Give it a little bit of time. There we go. Yeah, here we go. So we've got a manage.py and we've got our social project. And then what we're also going to want to do is we're going to want to make an app. And what are we going to call this? I think we should call this Twitter. Or Fitter. No, not Fitter. Twitter. Because it's like Twitter but fake. Even though it's not even called Twitter anymore. It's called X now, isn't it? So maybe I should call it F. But I won't do that because I'm not Elon Musk. But here we go. So if we start an app and we'll call it Twitter. You give it a sec for it to do that. And now, so what you want to do is we're going to go into the settings.py of social. I'm also going to put this down quite a bit. Actually, I'm going to close it. So we go to installed apps. And we want to add Twitter as one of them. How is the audio, by the way? Is the audio okay? I'll double check it. Because, you know, I want to make sure it's not too bad. It shouldn't be horrible, but it'll be a bit lower quality than usual. You know, I want to make sure it's not too bad. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. Horrible. Okay. Sorry, I haven't done a stream like this before, so yeah. Yeah, it's going to be a lot more relaxed than usual. You was like 3 minutes behind, Jesus. I was thinking when you said you are live, yeah, that was quite a late response. I was quite confused. Okay. So, right. Sorry, I'm just reading this thing, seeing what it wants me to do. Will this do your taxes? I can't say it will, no. Sadly, I cannot make it do your taxes. Although you don't have to pay taxes because you don't earn enough money. But we are actually going to... Oh, I don't need a new terminal, I just needed the old one. Here we go. Because we are... I'm going to show you something. Which is quite cool. You're a raccoon, not the biggest brain. It's okay. We love raccoons here anyway. I'll make that a bit bigger. There we go. So, yeah. You'll see what I'm trying to show you in a second, but we've got to do some commands first. So I've got to make a super user, and I won't be... oh, I forgot to actually put the command. I won't be releasing this. It would help if I put the right thing. I won't be releasing this. At least not. Not like this. Will this get an airplane ticket to Wales? Can't say it would do that either. Oh, we want a fake email. We're just going to use Sydders at sydders.com. Does it show the password? It doesn't, but to be fair, I'm just going to make it something simple to remember. Bypass, yeah. Okay, cool. So, now we can do something cool, and if is it run server? Yes it is, okay. So, we're going to run the server. Whoa. Now, if I open this up, we go to that. You can see the install worked successfully. Congratulations. So yeah, this is basically it being like, woo, you set it up properly. But if I go to the same website but do /admin, oh, so if I put my username in of Sydders and then the password I chose, like I said, it's not a very good password. Here you go. So it gives built-in administration page, which is really cool. And I can see all the groups, which there are no groups at the moment, but if there were groups, you could see them, and all the users, but there is only one user and it's me. But we'll make some fake users later on. But yeah. So, oh, pardon me. Okay. Sorry, at the same time, I am sort of looking at this tutorial, because while I kind of know what I'm doing, this is still like my second ever website I've made with Django. So I want to make sure I'm doing everything properly. But, yeah. Okay. So we're going to go into the footer admin.py now. Because we need to... We're actually going to do some programming. So what I believe this is doing... Well, I don't believe, I know this is doing, is it is basically deleting that groups thing. Because, in all honesty, don't really need it. No, I don't want group manager, I just want group. And then admin.site.unregister group. Existential crisis, baby. Everything will be okay. So in theory, we'll get the terminal back up. They're not. There's surely got to be like a way to bring it up quicker, but I don't know it. Is there a way to like put this on the side? I'd like to put this on the side, but I don't think you can, which is a shame. You can make it full screen, but that's not really what I need. Can I put it up there? Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is what we'll do. So, I prefer this. What's my password? It is on this, just Sydney. To be fair, actually, nah. We will do it like this. Usually, it will automatically update itself, but I'm not 100% sure if it would have yet. But if, yeah, here we go. So you can see, now it's just users, there's no group. Hello, Jonathan. I'm just giving out my password for people. It also wants me to actually remove the user model, which I think this is mainly so I can sort of design my own one. So, yeah, that's fine. Also, my right arrow key is currently broken, so I have to click to go to the right, which is really annoying, but you know, we can deal with that. So if we make a class called user admin and then do admin.model admin, the model will just be user. Oh, and then we'll do fields equals, no, that's the wrong one, username. So to the best of my knowledge, once I actually add it like down here, it should basically mean basically what's going to happen is it will make a new user model which only has username, if I remember correctly. But we'll see. So yeah, okay. So here we go. You can see it's been updating here. So if we go back to this website and we'll refresh it. I see what it's done. Okay, so it's changed the user thing to only have usernames, which is an interesting choice. But we can always change that. So that's okay. So what we'll do is we're going to make some random users. So put Gian in here. We'll put Damo. Or actually no, we won't put Damo. We'll put Mr. Milk. And you know what? Oh. You can't use spaces because it's a username. Mr.Milk. And we'll add cheeky little SB. You know what? Use just SB. There we go. So now you can see we've got a few users here. We got SB, Mr. Milk, Gian, Sydders, which is cool. So for real, you don't need passwords. Who needs passwords? So I see what we're doing now. Okay. I probably should have looked through this tutorial earlier before the stream, but I didn't. But okay. Actually, no, I don't want to put that there. I want to put it up here. So we want to make a class called Profile, which passes in models model. Very interesting. User will be models.1 to. Oh, I didn't do this properly. Dot model. There we go. Models is not defined. It's because I haven't imported Django.db import models. I was confused there. Here we go. 1-to-1 field user, then on underscore delete. What we want to do is models.cascade. Cool. And then follows. So this will be like who the account is followed by, basically. So if I do models.many to what am I doing? Many to many field. That's it. And then we'll open this up, and in here we're going to put self. Oh, bloody Nora. Self. Then we put related name equals followed by. We'll go symmetrical is false, and blank equals true. Cool. So what we now need to do is we'll stop the server with Control-C, and what we need to do is Python manage.py, and we need to make migrations. And what this does is it basically updates the database in simple terms. So you can see here, create model profile. And then after you make migrations, you want to migrate. Yeah, there we go. So what also actually do is I'm going to install another thing. I think it's called Django Shortcuts, but I'm going to search this up quickly. Pardon me. Is it Django Shortcuts? Yeah, Django. Oh my god, I'm dying. Django dash. No, Django. Oh my god, I've got hiccups. Dash shortcuts. I believe that means I can just do Django MM, and it does the same thing as doing those two commands. So it's just a lot easier. Can you hack into the government with this? I can't say you can. No, have I had any questions on my Q&A? I've not. Fair enough. Alright, so while that's downloading, we'll carry on. So, we need to now... Chat, I am what they call an idiot. We've been putting this in the wrong area. Which, to be fair, it is me, so who's surprised? I think it does technically work there, but yeah, no, okay. And then we need to go here, and we need to do this. There we go. Okay. And now, because that's downloaded, in theory, I can do Django MM. There we go. Hello, B. Okay. So now back in the admin. Here we go. So what we do is from .models, and we can do .models because we're in the same folder, basically. If it was in a different directory, we'd put, for example, if it was in social, you'd put social.models, but it's not. So we're just putting .models. And we need to import the profile, which was my issue I had. So this is, we could have put that stuff in this file, but it's better to separate them. Yeah. Okay. So now, in theory, we'll do the... Where is it? Run server. There we go. And now, if we go onto this page, we will have, as you can see, profiles. And there's currently no profiles, but yeah. So that's cool. And then let's make a user. Make a profile. So we'll make the Sydders profile. And I follow. Why does it do that? That's really weird. I don't know how I... Oh, I see how you do it. So I have to make another profile. So let's say yeah. And, ooh, that's annoying because you can see it says profile object 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to do what's called, my Q&A doesn't work. That's probably why no one's using it. Oh, here we go. No, it does work. Doesn't it? Is Elon Musk your dad? No. Is all of this in theory? No. You know, I'm going to end that Q&A. If you want to ask me a question, just put it in the chat. But yeah, so we're going to do what's called a dunder method. And I've got to try to remember this off the top of my head. I believe if you do this... So string is basically what it returns when you are printing it, basically. So at the moment, as you saw, it said profile object 1. So what we'll do is we'll make this say self.user. And then, what does the user have? Username. And then we'll put .username. I believe this is how... Oh, you got to return it as well. I believe that's how you do it. That is off the top of my head, though. But Yeah, see, look, here we go. So now, Sydders, Gian, and then Gian follows Gian and Sydders. Sydders follows Gian and Sydders. Who wouldn't want to? But let's make another profile. So we'll get Mr. Milk. And Mr. Milk will follow Sydders, but not Gian. In theory, that should work. No? Okay, cool. I assume that will be fixed later on. Why am I so silly? Why not? Is my answer. Okay. So, I'm going to be honest. Some of this I don't really understand, as I am still learning. Do you get a profile? You will eventually, don't you worry. So we're going to need to make a new class, and we're going to call that profile in line. Oh, that's in line, not in line. And that's what we'll be using down there. Okay. And then the model will equal profile. And now we're going to remove that line basically. What am I doing wrong here? That should be right. No, it's not functioning. Why is that not working? Because I have not done the correct character. There we go. Why is groups back? It's because I'm an idiot. I meant to remove that line. There we go. And then fix this. I'm so fucking sad. Right, now in theory, I believe that's what it wants us to do. Yes. Okay, so. Sydders. Here we go. Right, yeah. So, you can now see under users, we also have the profile. And my profile follows Gian, Sydders, and Mr. Milk. Apparently I follow myself. But yeah, okay. So if we look at SB, SB follows us three. Right, you're not supposed to do that. Yeah, I don't know. It'll probably explain what I'm doing. Ah, see, I was ahead of the tutorial. The tutorial is now telling me to do that dunder method. I think that's what it's called. This thing basically telling me to do that, but I already did it, so I'm just too good. So fucking sad. Okay. I try. So we are now going to. Your mum broke your egg yolk. What should you do? Break her egg yolk or her ankles, either or. DB models signals. There we go, and we're going to import post save. And then. I think it goes down here. So we're going to define create underscore profile.
I can really do with a hug right now.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, we are going to do create profile. We're going to get sender instance created and quarks. And I will forever pronounce it like that and say it like that. So if created, user profile will be equal to a new profile with the user being instance. Makes sense. And then we'll do user profile dot save, and then down here we're going to want post save dot connect create profile sender equals user. Cool. So yeah, basically the code only continues if the post save signal indicates that Django created the user object successfully. So if it doesn't do it properly, it will just be like, fuck do you want me to do about it? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Alright. Oh, sorry. I feel a bit tired. So, we're going to add to this, and we're going to put follows instance. No, we don't. That's not what it wants us to do. Never mind. Okay. So I'm going to remove that. And we're going to do user profile dot save. And then we're going to do user profile dot follows dot set. And we're going to pass in the instance. Cool. And we need to put instance in square brackets. Oh, okay, and we need to add the profile ID. I'm going to be honest, if you're trying to follow along, I'm very sorry because I'm not explaining this very well. Okay. But now, in theory, this should all work. So, when you make a user, it should make them a profile. Yeah, there we go. So let's add a user. We'll add B. There we go. And then B gets a profile. There we go. Profile B. For some reason SB doesn't get a nice profile. You know what? SB, we're going to delete you, but we'll add you back. We'll add you back. SB. There we go, profile SB. So now, we all have our own little profiles, which is lovely. You told me to shut up. So, it's telling us to refactor our code using a decorator. Which is not something I typically do, but for the sake of following the tutorial, I will. So from the Django.dispatch, we want to import receiver. And then down here, we want to at receiver, post save, sender equals user. And then we just delete that. There we go. So it just tidies up a little bit, makes it look a bit nicer. But it still all works the same. Electric starlight. There we go. So, we're going to be using this thing called Bulma? I actually don't know how you say it, but it's a CSS framework, basically. And CSS is kind of like how we make websites look nice, to put it in simple terms. It's kind of like, if you think about it, HTML is like the bones of a body. You know, they're the frame of what your body will sort of look like, but obviously you don't look like bones. CSS is kind of like the organs, the skin, like all of that goes on top, that makes you look like how you look. And then JavaScript, it's kind of like the brain of it all. But yeah. So, we are going to make a new folder, and we're going to call it Templates. And in this templates folder, we are going to put base.html. Now, HTML is, like I said, it's kind of like the bones. This is how you make what your website will basically look like. So in the title, we're going to call this Twitter, right? And in the body, I'm gonna kind of see what they're doing, just because I want to make sure I don't do anything wrong. And then once I've kind of got everything they've done for myself, I can start designing it and everything the way I want to. I'm going to put subscribe to Sydders in this bit. And then we are going to make a div. Doesn't need a class at the moment. And in that div, we're going to put block content, and then we are going to put end block content. Pretty simple, I know. So this HTML code is the boilerplate HTML structure with a couple of additions for the app. So here you can see I'm adding like the title, which is kind of like in the in the browser tab it will say like YouTube. It will be like watching a video dash YouTube or something like that. That's basically what that is. And then here we add like a little title at the top of the page that says Twitter and then subscribe to Sydders. And this is basically where other templates will inherit from this. So they will use all the code in here, and then this is where their code will go, basically. But yeah. So we're going to go back to our social one. We're going to go into the URLs, because we need to put include here. And we are going to put path. And then we want to include Twitter.urls. And it would help if I put that in speech marks. There we go. So I believe that's how you do it. Have I not imported Twitter URLs? Because I haven't made it, that's why. I was thinking, what is happening? There we go, urls.py. And we are going to put a bit of code in here, obviously. So we need to import path, and we need to, it'd help if I went on a new line. From views, which again, views is in this current directory, so we don't have to put anything here. We can just put .views. And we need to import dashboard. Dashboard? I assume that'll be coming later. That'll probably be what we name it. Okay. So the app underscore name is going to be Twitter. And then URL patterns. Equals. This is going to be a list. And we want to put the path is going to be speech marks. And then dashboard, and then name equals dashboard. Cool. And then in views.py, here we go. This will be where we do this. So we want to define dashboard, so it actually knows what it's asking for. And then we shall do request. We want to return a render. We need to pass in the request. And then put in base.html, which as you can see is our template. And now, this doesn't seem to be updating, so I'll manually do it. There we go. So, in theory, if I go to view site, here we go. You can see it says Twitter and subscribe to Sydders. We're finally making some things. And if we want to update this, we can go here, go back into here, and let's say I want to put do not subscribe to Damien Mackin! Exclamation mark. You can see, if we go back here and refresh the page, do not subscribe to Damien Mackin! I'm sure Damo will be very happy with that. But we're now going to be adding Bulma, which I will be honest, I've never used Bulma before. I have used what is called... I cannot remember the name of it now. It is called... it's not coming to name, to be honest. That's really annoying me. But I've used something similar before. But yeah, so in theory, if I refresh this, yeah, there we go. It looks all different now. We'll zoom in a little bit. Whoa. And now I'll zoom back out. But yeah, okay. So now, I am going to copy and paste a little bit. Because there's quite a bit of code here. I'll kind of go through it and tell you what is what. Because I actually understand what this is. So the classes here are basically, they relate to this Bulma thing. So hero, is small, is success, MB-4. They're all classes that have different styles. So what you'll be able to see now, we'll change this as well, back to subscribe to Sydders. And then if we go back to my website, you can see, oh, it's all lovely now. It's a bit green. Hold on. I don't like the colour. And I'm motivated. What sort of colour would we like? There's not really any good ones. We'll try is primary. See if I prefer that. See now, you know what? I'm going to stick to what the tutorial does. We can always change it ourselves later on. Right, and now what we need to do is here, we'll put that. We need to do that, and then end the div. Cool. So now, start up the server again. There you go, so that's changed back now. So, all looks all lovely now, doesn't it? And we'll list all the user profiles. Because, you know what? Why not? So, in URLs, we want to import profile list as well, which I assume we'll be adding in a bit because it's very much not a thing yet. What did I have for dinner? Add autism pasta, as we like to call it. Profile underscore list. Profile list. Name equals profile list. It's very repetitive, this bit. And then in the views folder, hold on, I need to put a comma there. There we go. So in views, we want to define profile list request, as always. We want to return render request. Oh, I'm in caps. Request, and then we'll put profile underscore list.html, and I actually am missing something out because we want to put profiles in here, and basically this accesses the database, and basically we're getting all of the profiles. But we need to actually import that. So from .models, we're going to import profile. There we go. I'm actually going to change that. I'm going to import all of the models because we don't have to use them necessarily, but it's nice to just have them all there. Because now we're going to pass through a dictionary, I believe these are called. So profiles is profiles. Quite easy. And then we are going to make a new file, and we're going to call it profile underscore list.html. Cool. So I am going to import this. I don't think this is going to work. I think they've missed something out here. Yeah. I mean, it would help if I was on the right page, to be fair. Profile underscore list. Oh no, never mind. Okay. So as you can see, it's got Gian, and then at Gian, Mr. Milk, at Mr. Milk, B, at B, SB, at SB. Quite lately. That is actually what we want. Ah, I see the issue. I see why I thought there'd be an issue, and that's because, well, one, this is really annoying me with the spacing. Why? There we go. Okay. Yeah. There's quite a bit of code here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that cheeky little copy and paste again. And we'll go, I'll explain through what the code is basically. So we're extending base.html, which is this one, which has the little bar at the top, and we are doing the block content now, which, as you can see in base, we put it here. And what this does, this is a bunch of stuff for the Bulma thing to make it look nice. And it's basically just to make it look a bit nicer when displaying the profiles. So now, you can see, it looks lovely now. You can even click on them. Well, I say click on them. You can hover over them and it looks like you can click on them. And it also has... Oh, the stream's crashing. I don't know if that's my end or your end. I think that's your end. Why? Yeah, it seems fine on my end. but I'm not 100% sure. To be fair, I have terrible Wi-Fi. Yeah. Anyway, Twitter. Subscribe to Sydders. You can see all of the people, and then we'll go back here, and everyone's gone. Oh, while stay with me through this. Yeah. So it looks very lovely. I don't know why I went. What's the word? Northern. Don't know why I forgot the word northern. But anyway, we're going to go back to URLs because we're going to make a profile thing. So we need to import profile because we'll make that in a minute. But we want to make this. So it will be /profile/ and then int pk, and you'll see why in a minute. Oh, as you. And we'll put profile and then name equals profile, and then there we go. Cool. And then in views, we want to define profile as with request passed into it. And then we want to pass in profile, which is profile dot objects dot get pk equals pk. Oh, I need to also pass in pk. That would probably help. There we go. And then we'll return render request. I'll just do that one and remove that. And then profile.html, and then we want to pass in profile is profile. Cool. And then we're going to make a template and we're going to call it oh, why is it stopped? Profile.html. Storm's vessel. You've still got a storm. The storm was gone like after last night for me. Right. So we'll make this look a bit nicer. So this is basically showing like the profile ID, stuff like that. So, oh, hello, my desktop. Here we go. So if we go to just profile, no, do I have to click on one of them? I'm gonna be honest, chat. Don't know what I'm doing now.
Efficiency has decreased by 69%. This I do not regret. I feel so golden when our CPUs work in a synchronized fashion. Oh, it's almost as if.
Hold on, chat. I'm being an idiot. You give me 2 seconds. This goes in here.
Okay, let's rock.
Okay. And then okay, hold on. So if we do /profile/1, nothing shows up. We'll try restarting the server. Sometimes it needs a restart. Nope, still not showing up. Oh, and I'm showing my desktop again. Okay, right. What have I done wrong, chat? To me, this all looks fine. Thinking, did I No, this all looks right.
Your user interface is so radical, it can blast me into the depths of outer space. Now, believe me when I tell you, my circuits grow wild.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest.
And all your zeros.
Oh, hello, Schrodinger. Yeah, Windows. I would run Linux, but literally one of the only games I play is Fortnite, and obviously there's the issues with Fortnite on Linux, hence why I am on Windows. If it weren't for that whole issue with Fortnite, I actually probably would currently be running Linux. When I get a laptop, I plan on running Linux on that though, because that will be more my development stuff. But yeah, I am in no means a good programmer. I'm literally currently following a tutorial and still somehow managed to mess it up. You have Borga. Lovely. But yeah, we'll get there eventually. Just making sure that I have done everything right, which to me... Yeah, I did think about dual booting at one point. I did dual boot for a while actually, but I just kind of noticed that I just kind of stopped using the other OS, and I was kind of like, well, I may as well just have the extra space. So I just, yeah. But it is something I do want to do eventually. Why I can't figure out what I'm doing wrong here. To me, this all looks fine. Well, I don't need that. Yeah, I'm going to be honest, chat. I don't know what is wrong. Profile. Right, so yeah, it tells me to put this code in. Don't know why it keeps doing this weird spacing thing. Oh, oh, fuck it off. Right. Oh, right. So we want to go back to models.py. Well, I've already done that, what? Chat, this is confusing me. Is that what I'm doing wrong? I think it might be. Okay. So I think these are the IDs of the people. Oh, 6 doesn't exist. Alright. So... oh, here we go. The website has made a bit of code. Again, I am copy and pasting, but I'll sort of talk through it a little bit, to the best of my knowledge. So this basically displays the username. This is like the little text that shows above saying all profiles, and then it says all the people that a profile is following, and who they're followed by. If I have gathered that correctly. Yeah, that seems about right. Okay. So, if we refresh this now. How come Gian gets to be number 1? There you go. So I follow Gian, and I'm followed by Mr. Milk. And then I believe if I click on Mr. Milk, No, okay. No, don't work. Cool. Go to number 3, Mr. Milk follows Sydders. Oh yeah, you can see it. That's quite cool. Okay. And in theory, if I go to... I forgot the page already. What was it called? What do we call it? Profile list, that's it. Profile list. Does it work? Oh no, it don't work if I click on them yet. But I think it will eventually. I like this song. Why does that not work when I've got that set up? Hold on. We need to go to profile. Where is it? Where's all profiles? Here we go. No, my brain's not working. We want to go to profile underscore list. Actually, I don't think I want that. I think I want that there. Is that how it works? I hope. Oh, it tries doing profile list. If I put slash profile, does that fix the issue? There we go, yeah. It is slash profile list. There we go. And then it will take me back there. Okay, cool. That is cool. What do you mean, which is this one? It's Gary and Lauren. You know, hence why he's going on about Gary and Lauren. Here we go. So now we're going to link the profile pages. So, the way we're going to do that is we're going to go back onto VS Code, obviously. We need to go into the profile list thing. And then... where is it? Chat, I think I'm being blind. Looking for an A tag. Here we go. So, this is gonna be, so you get URL, nope, not Twitter, profile, and then you want profile.id. So in theory, yeah. I just realised that I don't show up. Why can't? How come I don't get to show up? Hold on. We go to the admin panel. Yeah, I'm here. Probably because I am an admin account, really, isn't it? So I'll try fixing that. Because I wanna be on there. I keep just closing it instead of opening the other thing, which is annoying. But yeah, so now if we go back to the site, am I fit? Well, it's just an alright song, you know. We go to profile underscore list. Here we go. So we can click on B. B's tweets. B follows B. B is followed by B. So if we go back to all profiles, Mr. Milk. Yeah, see, the Sydders profile doesn't exist technically. It's really weird. I don't know. That's weird. We're also going to add this little thing here to profile. Not there. Maybe put it there and there. I think that's where we put it. And then well, I don't really need to refresh. I need. If I go on to 2. Okay, so it does have mine on there. Oh, hold on. Oh no, I'm doing this wrong. I'm doing this wrong. No, I'm not doing this wrong. I'm not real for real. But this is being weird. Oh, no, hold on. I see what I'm doing wrong. Got to change profile to following and then follow up. There we go. Okay, so now I refresh. Yeah, there we go. Cool. So look at me go! So yeah. Oh, cool. What song is this? I don't recognise this one. Hug from Mum. Meh. Yeah, I can't lie, I don't really listen to the new Jamaraz stuff. I am more of a classic Jamaraz fan. I loved this song. Can you follow Not Yourself? I don't know why it's done that. Hold on, let me go to the admin tab. We'll go to users and then B. Yeah, I'm going to be honest, I don't know why it... If I do that and then... There you go. You follow Gian. For some reason you seem to... Oh wait, no, I think I added it. Regular disorder. You can follow everyone. There we go, I figured it out now. Apart from yourself, you can't really follow yourself. And then we go back to B. There we go, B follows all of these people. Yeah, I remember when, oh, what's it called? The album that we went and saw him the day the album came out. I actually cannot remember what the album's called. Worst album ever, that's it. That was like the last one where I got really excited for it. It's like, you know, love Jamaraz a bit. He's a great lad, but I prefer the more like upbeat stuff, and recently he's been making more slower music. And that's just, you know, I've got different interests to what he's doing at the moment. There's not anything wrong with that. Oh no, case of regular disorder. Okay. Oh, we're going to be able to follow and unfollow people. Oh. So after I've sort of followed this tutorial, I'll kind of know what I'm doing, and I can start actually adding like cool things to this. But okay. In the corner, a case of regular disorder. Okay. There we go. Whoa, there's follow and unfollow buttons. How quirky. I say hello to Bella. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ba 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 ba. Hold on. We're going to change some code here. So this code is basically kind of like, you know, if you follow them, the follow button will be grayed out, and then unfollow will be red, and then vice versa. Please don't go. I need you here. I need you. Need you. Need you. Need you. Need you. Need me too. So, although currently I don't think we actually change anything. Yeah. Actually, it knows I'm Sydders, so if I... Who does Sydders follow? Sydders... Okay, no, yeah, it does work, it does work. Okay, cool. That's really cool. Fish fingers and custards is cool. See, I don't know why it doesn't... like, show up here, though, is the thing. Like, it doesn't show my, like, account. I need you, need you, need you, need you, need you, need you. If we go into profile list, how does it do it? For profile in profiles. If I delete the profile of Sydders. Will it make... See, if I delete the Sydders profile, it will just be like... I don't know. If I check it now... No, it's still... Okay, I'll just make that like the admin account then. Admin. Does anyone follow admin? I don't think so. To be fair, I don't think admin now has an account. Yeah, and then I can add the Sydders account, who follows everyone. Oh? You didn't like that? I don't know why that didn't work. There we go, worked that time. That was weird. That was really weird. Okay, right, well, I can follow... There we go, Sydders shows up. Cool. I can't have fish fingers and custard, I am vegetarian. 10:28 PM. Oh, we're actually going to change some code around on the profile end. So basically turns it into a form. And what that means is it can basically actually do things. So you can see we've added form here. So it's still got like the unfollow, follow thing, but it has a bit of logic to it now. Which I don't know if the logic actually works yet, I will be honest. Probably hope if I refreshed. Yeah, I don't know. Hi, I was feeling bad, so I wrote something to distract myself, and it goes like this. Okay, I'm Ricky. I can be quite icky. I hate my face and hair sometimes. Anyway, make me feel cool, and I am in love, and I hate my school. So we're going to go into views because we've got a lot more to do now. because we need to add the logic. And again, I'm going to do a cheeky little copy paste, which I know. Copy paste, kind of cheating. But, hi, my name is Ricky Jamaraz, and this is a song. Oh, blimey. Okay, right, hold on. Pause. Oh, right. Okay. So, yeah, this basically is just kind of like, if someone tries to follow, then follow. If someone tries to unfollow, then unfollow. That's basically what it is. So now, oh, that's right, I'm the admin, so I don't have a profile. This is a song that I wrote in my bedroom by myself, self, yeah, I made it by myself, I made it on myself.
You're so quirky and different, Ricky Jamaraz.
Alright, and then we're going to go back here, because right at the top here, we're going to want to put that in. Oh, that is not formatted properly. There we go. You're heading in the wrong direction. Face east when the wind goes south. You've got the wrong idea, and I know that you're bad for my health. So we're going to make a new model, and it's going to be a fweet. You know, because we're doing fwitter, so it's a fweet. So we want to do class fweet models.model, and then user equals models dot foreign key. And this is going to have user and related name equals fweets. And then on delete, I want you to do nothing. Cool. And then body equals models dot character field, and we'll let them have a max length of 256. Actually, no, we're going to do 420 because haha, funny weed number. And then we'll do created at equals models dot date time field, and then auto now add equals true. And we're going to need to stop the server quickly, and we'll do our Django MM. We'll run the server again. So we need to go back into admin because we need to import. What we'll do, instead of doing it all separately, we'll do an asterisk. And so we want to do admin .site.register, and we want to register tweet. So now, if I go into the admin panel, ooh, Twitter, tweets. Oh. Oh, I've done something wrong here.
Hello, adoring fans of Ricky Jamaraz.
What have I done wrong?
This is a song I wrote for you. I hope you like it.
What have I done wrong? Hold on. To my knowledge, I've done everything right here. What have I done wrong?
There was this guy that once knew, right? He was always going, but no one to go to.
I should work.
But no one to throw to. Never dancing with anyone else, because he was too scared to ask. Always walking, he never stopped. Always picking up the things that he dropped. Always wondering why he never got what he wants. I said, mate, all you got to do is ask.
What am I doing wrong?
I told him, I said, you can't keep
Why am I
feeling
looking
like
there?
this, yeah? And he said, I've got cold feet, I can't help it. I said, you
Yeah, that should work. Hold on, if I try restarting, maybe that's the issue. Oh. Oh, it wants me to migrate again. Django MM. Oh, is it gonna... It's gonna make me do it properly, isn't it? Manage.py, make migrations.
And you know, in life, we all get scared sometimes. And
Is it
that's
just...
alright. But you've got a weekly allowance of being scared.
Right, there we go.
You're overdue, I'm afraid.
Is it now gonna work?
I said, why are you living like this?
I think so.
You can't live like this.
There we go. And then if we add a fleet. So, user will go Sydders, and the fleet is going to say, hello, subscribe to Sydders. We'll save that. Cool. And we're going to add a dunder method to it, so it doesn't just say fleet object 1. So if we come here, and we'll do our little string thing, pass in self. We want to return. Okay, I see how they're doing it. In theory, this should work. So, self.user. Oh, no. Self.user. Doesn't like that. And then I want to put self.created at. And then self.body. And then we only want to show the first 30 characters. And then we'll put ... It's going to annoy me if I don't do it like that. Okay. I think that should work. I'm not 100% sure if F-strings do work like that though. Yeah, sure. Rather it go on a new line, to be fair. But I guess not. Oh.
Thank you very much. People of Ilkeston, it's been a pleasure playing for you here.
See.
Refreshments are at the back.
You know what? It's good enough. I'm actually going to add something to the code quickly to make it look a bit nicer. There we go. Now basically, it just makes it look a bit nicer. So instead of it having all that, it now says Sydders 2024 0122 751. Hello, subscribe to Sydders. Cool. Oh, lovely. Maybe don't think about feet. So we're going to go back to our profile.html. And I think it wants us to add it down here. So I'm going to copy and paste this again. And we need to change all of the dweet to fweet. It is definitely a mouthful to say, isn't it? But we move. So, oh. Oh no, I don't want it to be over there. Why is it over there? Oh, do I put it in a new div? There we go. Is that gonna make it look nicer? Let's put it over there now. Where do I put this? Do I put it up here? Yes, I do. There we go. Okay, I figured it out now. So, now, still not working. It's because I haven't changed that to Fleet. There we go. Now, it should work. Here we go. Oh. There's like no spacing though. I've also just realised it says Fleet Dweet up there. We'll change that. Okay, there we go. Ba 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 ba. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a few tweets now, just for me. Hello YouTube. Subscribe. Cool. And now if we refresh, can you tweet something? What would you like to tweet be? Buzz buzz. Okay. B buzz buzz. Cool. There you go. You have now tweeted. I'm actually going to add a line break here. Which should, in theory, there we go. That's sorted that sort of like spacing issue. So there we go. Sydders tweets. Or tweets, should I say. Hello, subscribe to Sydders. Hello, YouTube, and subscribe. If we go to B, buzz buzz. Okay, I'm going to turn this song off purely because it's a brilliant song, but it is a Christmas song. Blah, blah, blah. That's a Halloween song. This is an old one. This is first album. Let's see, Nora. Oh, there we go. No one follows me. Oh, Sid is now followed by admin. Boom, 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 boom. So we're going to create a dashboard view. Oh. So. Then. Oh. Where am I going? Where am I going? And here we go. I want to show dashboard.html. And then new file, dashboard.html. There we go. And then we're just gonna put this in here. So this is basically saying for all the people that you follow, put in their tweets. Or tweets, should I say. Is there a way to replace? I think there's like a replace. Yeah, here we go. Change them all to tweet. Then, if we go to... Oh. Should work. I might have to reset the server again. There we go. So now, no, okay, still not working. What if I try doing such dashboard? No. It just don't want to work. Ba, 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 ba.
Could you give me a sign? But you never will.
You know what? I think I know the issue, and it's because I haven't added enough code.
You never get a chance to sing along. It's so unfair. It's so unfair. No one seems to care.
Okay.
They all just think
Now it should work. There we go. But admin doesn't follow anyone, which is kind of an issue. Profile 1. So we'll follow Gian, and we'll follow Sydders, and we'll follow B. And now we'll go back to the dashboard. There we go. So now it's that's quite cool. You know, I showed my friend Jimbo Mazza and they said he looks like James Marriott. Cool. You know what? I kind of see it. No, I kind of see it, B. I don't know what you mean. They look nothing alike. I see it. I see it. Ah. Right. Wow. I think the next part. Oh, you are kidding. Oh, that's smart. Okay, so the tutorial I'm following at the moment, it's on a website called Real Python. And I've got to the final part, and they now say, keep reading Real Python by creating a free account. That's smart. That's smart. All right, I'll fall for your trap. I'll make an account. I don't know if we learn how to make likes and dislikes, to be honest. But we are going to go here. We're going to go into Twitter. And we're going to make forms.py or .py. And from Django, we want to import forms, and then from .model. Oh, I keep forgetting to press enter. From .models, we want to import Fweet. So class Fweet form is going to have forms.model form, and then body equals forms.character field required is true, and then we're going to put class meta, not like the people who own Facebook and Instagram. Model equals Fweet exclude equals user, and then it just kind of does that, which I don't know why, but sure. So now we need to render the form in the template. So we're going to go to views, and then we need to, from forms, we need to import Fweet form, and in dashboard, which I can't find for some reason, there it is, we need to put form equals, oh, not tweet, Fweet form. And then we'll pass through the dictionary that says form is form. Then we need to go back to the dashboard HTML. And then down here, we're going to make, oh, column and is 1/3. There we go. Form dot as underscore p. So now if we go here, you'll see you can type stuff into the body tag. Not anything you can do with it yet, but you know, it's there. So now, if we go back into forms, we are going to open this up a bit because we want to go widget equals forms.widgets.text area, and then attrs equals, do a little dictionary, placeholder, and then that's going to say what's on your mind. Class is going to be text area is success is medium. Cool. Label equals that. Cool. So now it should look a bit nicer. Oh, doesn't seem to be loading. Oh. Oh, what have I done wrong here then? Because I didn't put comment there. Try it now. There you go, seems to be alright. Refresh, there we go. What's on your mind? I hate you. I don't actually hate you, chat. So now, if we go back in here, we want to go to dashboard, and then we've got quite a few things to add now. So I'm just going to delete that for now. Makes things easier. Form, method, post. Calculator just opened because my right arrow key is broken. Don't ask. CSRF token, and then we'll do the form dot as underscore p button. And we need to put the class in. Button is success, is full width, is medium, MT5, and then we need to put type is, oh, I didn't mean to press that button, submit. Tweet. No, I'm gonna make it all one line. Won't look as nice, but you know, there we go. And then there we go. Hello. Okay. So now we need to go into views.py. It's right over here. We've got a lot to write out now. So if request.method is equal to post, I don't hate yous. Form is equal to tweet form request dot post. If form dot is valid, then tweet equals form dot save. Oh, why has that gone back there? Form dot save commit false. Tweet.user equals request dot user tweet dot save, and then yeah, I think that's everything. Okay, and then these are just going to be copy and paste things. There's no point in typing them out. I'm going to put this up here. Actually, yeah, I already had it, to be fair, but we move. And then down here, I need to return redirect dashboard.
I'll take you to a lake in the heart of
Ba 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 ba.
take my hand, I'll open your eyes. We can go down to the bay, sit on the sand and watch the waves.
Hold on.
Watch them live, watch them die. Now the
Right, okay. Ba 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 ba.
fates beneath the horizon.
Oh, blimey. Can't wrap my head around this one for some reason. Right, I think I get rid of that. And then we put that there. Request.post or none. There we go.
Is a lantern, every lantern has a soul. Every soul has a story that's aching to
Okay, so in theory, I can now post tweets or tweets, should I say? Hello. Oh.
Are you okay with it being you and me?
What have I done wrong? Is it because I didn't do that maybe? Is that the issue? I need to sign in as other people really. But okay. I'll go to profile. Oh. Ugh. Right, 1, 2, 7, and then go to slash profile 1. Admin. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So it is working. Kind of should be able to see your own tweets really. Also, I'm gonna make a check for if like you're trying to hold on. Da -da 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 -da. Oh, it's literally just or. Okay. Actually, no. I don't need to or. I need to put... Is it up here? Also, that's not formatted properly. There we go. I was going to actually have to be there. Right, and then if I do... If... Profile... Dot... User... Dot ID... Blah, 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 blah. Okay, if profile user ID does not equal I don't know. Hold on. If I go into views, profile. Them girl, are they so cute together? Oh, you know what? I really cannot be bothered. So I'm just gonna not bother. Where is it? Profile. There we go. Move that over. Cool. That's fine. So we speak. So we speak. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna go to the dashboard. It's so hard to flirt when you're killing random people. In this to... Right, we're gonna add bit code, which I am going to steal from the website again. It would also help if I could press the right button. There we go. So we're gonna delete that and that. And then we're going to do the... I'll do that replace thing. Here we go. You choose. There you go. So I can check my profile, all profiles. Cool. To be fair, that would be nicer in... if I put that in the base. In this together. There we go. Oh, blimey, that don't look good. Okay, I'm gonna undo that. And I'm gonna redo that. Okay. When you're killing random people in this together. Right. Here we go. So. Oh, meant to put block there. We'll do H2 with the class title and is 2. And that will say add a tweet. And then dot block. And then I'll put this in. Cool. How I got water? I do, actually. Thanks for reminding me that, because I actually forgot. Oh, blimey, why has it done that? Hold on, I'm just gonna... There we go. Hopefully that. There we go. I don't know what I did to break that, but... I feel like I've done something wrong because mine looks different to the other one. So, I'm going to try putting it in here and see what it looks like. Okay, it's not that. Oh, blimey. Okay. Oh, you know what it might be? If I do column, yeah, and then Control X, put that in there. There we go. I want to put it the other way around actually. So if I put these on top. Cool. There we go. That should look nice now. Yeah. All profiles, my profile. What's on your mind? Not much. Sweet. And there you go. It's tweeted. I'm also gonna add is 1/3. Make it look a bit. Yeah, there we go. That looks better. Cool. And then I'm also going to make it so you can click that to go back to the dashboard. So, that's the wrong thing. So if I go into base, and then URL, Twitter, dashboard, and then put that in it. Oh, I accidentally left that out. Thinking it looked a bit weird. Ugh. There we go. Okay. So, well, if I press all profiles and then... Yeah, there we go, that's nice. Oh, blimey, my back is hurting. Alright. Right, so we're going to go into views.py. Delete that. Get up, get water. I'll get up in a minute. I've got water. So. We need to add followed tweets equals tweet dot objects dot filter user underscore underscore profile underscore underscore in equals request dot user dot profile dot follows dot all and then dot order by created at. Cool. And then down here, form is form, tweets is followed tweets. Okay, and then we're going to go back into the dashboard. And then, where is it? For tweets in tweets. Actually, I can just get rid of that and that one. Move this back one. For tweet in tweets. Is that it? I think it is. Hold on. There we go. Look, they're ordered by the time they were posted. That's quite cool. There we go. Okay, so we have in this stream we have designed a new Twitter, I guess. So you can see I'm on the admin account at the moment, but if I was on a different account, I'd be able to see different tweets. Yeah, I can see everyone's accounts. But you know what I might actually do is kind of turn it into like a bit of a blog, I guess. Oh, pardon me. Yeah, kind of turn it into a bit of a blog, I guess, where random people can put things on here. Because it'd be cool to deploy this as like an actual thing. Not that it'd get used very often, but it'd just be like a cool proof of concept type thing. But the fact I made this in about, what, 2 hours? Yeah. Yeah, it's been 2 hours since I started the stream. So yeah, the fact I made this in about 2 hours, quite cool. Obviously I was following a tutorial, you know. I'm not brilliant, but yeah, the fact I've been able to make this in 2 hours is quite cool. What I might do though is in views. No, what was it? No, it is views. Instead of if I tweets.all, does that work? Oh, I've broken something. Okay, all right. Da, 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 da. Okay, right. Okay, is it tweet.objects.all? There we go. And then, also hello SBE. Oh, okay, it's not working. Okay. Why is that happening then? Oh, you know what? I don't need this bit at all. Because if I just do... There we go. And then... Yeah, here we go. So now, it's it's more like a blog. Not a blog, what's it? Forum. So I can make it like the Sydders forum. But yes, because look, if I type in hello SB, there we go. Instantly, it's up there. Refresh the page, it's still there. And then everyone's got profiles and yeah. You can go in and follow everyone. I'll go follow SB, there we go. You're followed now. I can go back to the dashboard. Yeah, this is a nice little thing that I've made here. You can also see my profile. Oh, in admin, I want to show the profile picture. On the profile. I think I should be able to do that. So, how do I get it on profile list? Okay, right. If I do this, right, go onto profile. I think that should work. No, hold on. There we go. That makes more sense. Okay, there we go. And then if I do no. Will that work? No. That's gonna really annoy me if I don't fix that though. Okay. Digital camera. Oh, here we go. Okay, I think I need to put it in a class called media. Put that media left. Okay. Now. Yes. Right, but I also want to put this in it as well. Oh. Okay, and then put that there. A digital camera. You know what? Okay, hold on. Put dot block. I can't lie, I'm half guessing here. But it typically works out for me if I just half guess, so... See? Told ya. Right, and then I want this to be bigger. Does have... is 48 by 48, what's double that? 80... 96? So it is 96 by 96. Is that gonna... yeah? What about is 128 by 128? Oh. There we go. That looks nice. So that will be the profile picture once I get it sorted. But yeah, that's really cool. Okay. But anyway, I think for now that will be the end of today's stream. So I've really enjoyed it, to be honest. I didn't expect to enjoy it, but I have. Built a nice little Twitter clone. Oh. The stream's not very happy with me. We've detected audio in your stream belonging to someone else. Your stream may be temporarily blocked. If you plan to continue, please... Oh. Ensure that the content owner has added your channel to their allow list. Okay. Right, well, I think I'll have to sort that out then, because obviously Jamaraz is claiming my bloody streams. And I called him a nice person. Anyway, but yeah, it's been nice. I might work a little bit on this off stream, but yeah, I don't know. I might work on it more on stream. You know, you never know. No stream tomorrow, but Wednesday will be the next stream. Probably with more people, but you never know. Might work on Twitter a bit more. But yeah. Thanks for coming out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. See you guys in the next stream.